Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oat biscuits without any added sugar. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients that you likely already have in your pantry. The key to their natural sweetness comes from very ripe bananas, so make sure yours are nice and spotty. These biscuits are incredibly easy to prepare and perfect for a healthy snack or a quick breakfast on the go. Let's get baking. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. First, mash 2 medium-sized, very ripe bananas until they are smooth and creamy. This provides the natural sweetness and binds our biscuits together. Next, add 2 cups of rolled oats to the mashed banana, along with 1/4 cup of milk and a half teaspoon of cinnamon for a lovely aroma. Mix everything thoroughly until a sticky dough forms. This simple mixture is the foundation of our tasty, sugar-free treats. With our dough ready, it's time to shape and bake these delightful biscuits. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Using a spoon, drop small portions of the dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Gently flatten each one to about 1/2 inch thick. Bake them for approximately 15 to 20 minutes or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and feel firm to the touch. The aroma will be incredible. Once your delicious oat biscuits are out of the oven, let them cool completely on a wire rack. This helps them firm up and achieve the perfect texture. They are wonderful on their own, or you can enjoy them with a dollop of yogurt or fresh fruit. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. These simple, sugar-free oat biscuits are a fantastic, healthy option for any time of day. Enjoy your homemade goodness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.